All right, Micron family. So great, fantastic news. Micron absolutely shattered their earnings. We're going to look at the numbers here in a minute, but it's on fire. Micron is in after hours trading. Look at this on the screen. You see it is up 12.73%, up $133. Micron is in after hours trading. It is absolutely just on fire. So we're going to take a look at what came out in the earnings. They absolutely just shattered it, gave a better than expected outlook, and Micron has declared a dividend. Couldn't have done any more. This is bigger than Micron, guys. Okay. Yes, we're going to talk about Micron in the capacity of us as Micron holders, but this, and I've been saying this, is bigger than Micron. If Micron would have missed or wouldn't have raised guidance or future guidance or any variation on that, we would have seen the entire AI sector sell off, and it would have been bad. Okay. So Micron is right up there, guys, with NVIDIA as far as a bellwether, one of the blue chip AI stocks that everybody looks at. And so again, we're going to now dive into those earnings. So it is absolutely just fantastic news here. Okay. So they announced third quarter earnings. We know that. They also declared a quarterly dividend of 15 cents per share. We know that it's up after hours at now 13% up. Okay, so here you go. So where was the? Okay, hold on just a minute. Okay, so here for the quarter, Micron reported earnings per share of $25.11 on revenue of $41.5 billion. Analysts were expecting $20 EPS, $20.39, and they reported 25. That's, yeah, they did good. Okay. Yeah. On revenue of 35.1 billion, according to Bloomberg analyst consistent estimates. Okay. Moving on. Okay. So Micron's adjusted gross margins topped 84.9, beating expectations of 81.3. Okay. Continuing, go back up here really for Q. This is now forward-looking guidance here. For Q4, company said it expects to bring in 49 to 51 billion. Wall Street was projecting revenue at 43. So this was the expectation. This is the raise of that forward guidance, right? And so that's what we needed. We needed them to blow away the earnings. We needed them to blow away all that kind of stuff, the EPS and all that, but also we needed forward guidance, and they absolutely crushed it. Oh, and by the way, announcing a dividend. Okay, so good stuff. Okay. I'm sure you know that Micron and Anthropic have a deal now where they're working together. I did a video. It's here on my channel if you want to go check it out. We know that data center construction is driving immense demand for both memory, DRAM, and storage NAND chips. So DRAM's a vital component. We know all this kind of stuff. So taking a look here in Q3, Micron's DRAM memory revenue for the quarter hit 31.3 billion versus expectations of 27.5 billion. While NAND storage revenue came in at 9.9, analysts were expecting 7.7. Stock has soared 727+%. Actually, it's higher than that now because if you're taking a look at after hours trading, and we're up at 270 since January. This stock is going to run now. You're probably going to see now analysts come out and raise their number. The number that was out there that had been raised by the latest round of analysts was about $1,500. I fully expect that probably to go to we could see analysts raise it to $2,000 per share now because Micron has just shattered earnings. And really, guys, this puts to bed, at least in my mind, a little bit of the CapEx expenditure stuff. Now, I've got a video coming out tomorrow where I'm going to talk a little bit more about that. Maybe kind of the other side, the risk side associated with CapEx spending. But right now, I want to focus on what we're seeing from Micron as delivering stellar earnings, stellar forward-looking guidance, announcing a dividend, and just blowing the number away. It's not just me saying it because, again, we're seeing in after-hours trading that Wall Street is reacting very, very, very well to this. And I think we're going to continue to see incredible demand from deep-pocketed data center builders, the AI infrastructure build-out. I think we're going to continue to see that. I think we're going to continue to see memory be a bottleneck, right? Let's get this right here. Where we got the right there. Now we're still about 13%. I think we're going to continue to see memory be a bottleneck, which is going to continue to drive earnings. It's going to continue to drive profitability, all that kind of thing. And so, you know, and I think we've got, the last I heard was we've got about a 2-year runway for until essentially memory fabrication catches up with demand, if you will. Okay. And there's a lot can happen in the next 2 years, obviously, but I'm really loving what I'm seeing. And I think that this is amazing. It's just on fire and Micron shattering earnings. Okay. So before I let you go, take a look at Micron's trading view right here. Now, this is not representative of the after hours trading we know, but I wanted to kind of share with you something. If I'm going to give you an opportunity to help you make more money in stocks, if you're interested, this is a way to do it. This is a buy alert, sell, buy. These are buy and sell alerts, right? And you can see this is for Micron. This is Micron right here. You see it? So from here all the way up to this sell alert, which was 84 days, 250%. So the software told you when to buy and sell along the way if you had it. Okay. So if you want it, you can get it now. If you want to get the software, you can get it for about $1.10 a day is what it costs. There's a link in the description below. I'll also drop a pinned link in the comments. The cheapest plan is the quarterly plan on a per day basis, and it's cheaper than you see on the screen if you use that discount code down there with the link. Okay. There's also 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee, refund guarantee that protects you. So if you want to try it, you're protected by that 30-day refund guarantee. So let me show you AMD. This is AMD. Look at this chart. Same kind of deal. It's a buy alert to that sell alert. 47 days, 122%. $1,000 bought would have made you $1,220 in profit, but all the way up to right here in the 83 days, 165%, telling you when to buy and sell along the way. Because if you're not using an indicator, you don't know when to buy, you don't know when to sell, and you're not maximized profitability. You're not putting as much profit as you can into your pocket, into your bank account for you to help you achieve your goals. And that's what it really is. So yeah, I'm asking for about $1.10 a day to get access to a tool that, by the way, runs on your iPhone, runs on Android. You're up and running in about 10 minutes and you're good to go. There's live training every single week in the members area. You can ask questions, comments, concerns, anything like that. There's also a private Discord community for all members. You can be in there and part of an investment community, and they're sharing ideas and stocks and cryptos to invest in. Because, by the way, you can use the software to know when to buy and sell crypto as well. So it's all there for you. So links are right down there. Go give it a look and give it a try. And yeah, and you can check that out. So loving what I'm seeing here on Micron, breaking through, crushing estimates. Looks good. Great news there. We'll see how the rest of trading goes into tonight. Tomorrow's futures, I expect another massive day tomorrow. We'll probably see Micron move up 5-10+% or more because of when kind of everybody else can buy and sell outside of after hours trading. I'll see you. Thanks for giving me a few minutes, and go make some money. See you.